Hello there and welcome back to Living Your Best Life 101, your channel for exercises, workouts and recipes for optimal health and well-being. If it's your first time here and you enjoy what you see, then don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click on the bell to get notified every time I post a new video. In this 10-minute mindful mobilization and stretching workout, we're going to be warming up, mobilizing the joints and then gently stretching the muscles. This is a great morning routine for the day after a heavier workout, maybe in the gym, or if you've done one of my well-fit full body workouts. It's going to be really good to help you to ease any stiffness that you might have and leave you feeling positive and energized. Alternatively, you could also do it to help you to relax and to have a good stretch after a long, hard day. So let's get right into it, starting with some gentle mobilization exercises. We're just going to sidestep to begin with, lift the arms up. We're going to do a little pec deck, squeezing the elbows together, keeping the elbows up at shoulder level. We've got some really nice warm-up exercises, some yoga stretches coming up that are going to be really nice to help you ease any muscle soreness from that previous workout. Or else just to help you to relax maybe at the end of a long day. Maybe you've been sitting all day. Okay, we're just going to lift the leg out to the side and lateral raise, alternate legs. Just nice, mobilizing exercises, nice and gentle. Okay, relax. Right leg, just step back, lift the knee, pull the arms down. Same on the other side, left leg, step back, knee raise. Relax there, side bends, down to the side. Yeah, these are also going to be really good exercises to help you to increase flexibility as well. Always important to stretch and stay as flexible as we can. Okay, we're going to lift the knees and we're just going to raise the arms backwards in circles. Just nice, slow, easy movements. Relax, keep the arms up. Make circles with the upper body and the arms. That's going to mobilize a little bit in the hips. Just gently preparing us for what's to come. Relax there, hands on the hips. Good mornings, we bend over and we lift up. So just mobilizing in the hips and the spine. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and relax there. Okay, we're just going to take a little moment now. Just thinking about being mindful and grateful for the efforts we've made to get here and our breathing as we begin. Think about connection between body and mind. Becoming conscious of each breath and how that's helping us to create the energy we need to move and to put all these efforts in this morning. So hands together, push down with the hands. I'm going to put this ear to this shoulder. Just preparing ourselves for the workout. Feelings of calm and relaxation. Relax the head, this time this ear, this shoulder, stretching the opposite side of the neck. Remember those deep breaths, increasing relaxation and flexibility with each breath and each stretch. Relax the head, keep the hands pushing down, chin on the chest though, pushing down. Preparing ourselves, getting ready to work hard this morning. Okay, relax the arms and the head. Deep breath in. Okay, we're going to step back with our left leg into a lunge. Lift the hands up. Turn that back foot out to the side. Turn it out. Bend the front leg. arms out in front and behind, looking behind. Deep breath in and out. Now straighten that front leg. Sliding down, left hand comes up into that triangle position. Careful with your balance. Now breathe in, hands together beside the foot. Left foot comes in. Exhale and slowly curl up. This time it's the right leg that goes back into the lunge. Into that lunge, bend down, lift the arms up. Now turn that back foot to the side, arms out in front and behind, bend the front leg, look at the back arm as it pushes back. Now straighten the front leg, reach down the leg, right arm comes up, twist and look into that triangle position. And relax, bring the hands next to the foot. Bring the feet together and slowly curl up, straighten the legs and exhale. Turning sideways across our mat, nice and wide with the stance. Now we're going to lunge down to this right side. We can lift onto that heel. Careful with the balance. Stretching the inner side of the leg. Back to the center. We lunge to the opposite side. We turn that right foot out this time. Hold your balance. We can hold the balance on the leg or on the floor. Inhale, back to center. Grab those elbows and we just drop down from the hips. Ragdoll pose. Gently twisting carefully from side to side. Breathing in and out gently. Now bring the hands to the thighs, slowly curl up, walk the feet in. Again, a deep breath in and out. Stretching the triceps now then. Lift the arm up, drop it down the back, keep the head up, gently stretching in the triceps. Remember to focus on your breathing. Try to direct the breath to the muscles that we're stretching or where you feel any stiffness. Change arms, right arm now. Take it up, drop it down the back. Keep the head up, knees soft, abdominals pulled in. Head, arm next to the head. Think about the positive action you've taken just to get mobile again. Today, have a little stretch. It's really going to help to improve feelings of well-being. And relax there. Now take the hands behind the back, shoulders are down and relaxed. Squeeze the elbows together so we open up the shoulders and the chest. Yeah, think about good work you've done to reduce any tension in that lower back area. It's going to be really good to help with correct posture. And yeah, just keep you feeling young and mobile. And relax. Okay, we take it down onto the knees now. cat and cow stretches. We lift the head up. This is the cow. We breathe in, we hollow the back, lift the head, and then the cat. We put the chin on the chest, arch the back and breathe out. Again, repeat. Head up, breathe in, and hollow. And then chin on the chest, arch, breathe out. Okay, relax, take it onto your back. Left foot is going to cross the right knee. And we're going to pull into the chest so we stretch in the left side of the glutes. Relaxing recovery breaths. Feeling the all-important connection between mind and body. Okay, foot on the floor, gently drop the legs over to the right, head and arms to the left. Yeah, really important this stretch and this relaxation for increasing feelings of well-being. There's nothing worse than feeling stiff and uncomfortable. Relax there. Repeat on the other side. Right foot now crosses the left knee. Pull it into the chest. Yeah, the day after, or even 2 days after, feeling really stiff and tight, it's not nice. So this is really important. And think about, as we breathe, getting that vital life force energy flowing again around the body. Okay, foot on the floor, drop the legs over to the left, head and arms to the right. Yeah, we're taking responsibility for our wellness and our feelings of well-being. Think also about what's in front of you now after you finish this little workout, because this positive action really sets the tone for that. Can lead you into the rest of the day very, very positively, which is really important. Relax there. Bring the knees into the chest. Just stretch the lower back muscles. You can rock side to side, gives you a little massage in the lower back muscles. Really good for releasing tension in the lower back. Increasing flexibility in there, which is important. And relax. Now slowly curling up, we're going to come up halfway and we're just going to grab our elbows and we're going to twist in that ragdoll pose, stretching in the back of the legs, in the lower back, and even through the back of the shoulders. Deep relaxing breaths, relaxing, stretching, feeling good. Now slowly curl up, take the arms up overhead, deep breath in and out. If you've enjoyed this workout, then don't forget, like it and share it on your social media if you'd be so kind. And if you haven't already, then don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell to get notified every time I post new videos. Or you could click on the link to the website in the description below and you can get access to all of my exercise content and much more. So well done, good work, and thanks for joining me today. Check out this video here if you'd like to do a bit more stretching and beginner yoga, or this one here if you'd like to try something a bit more intense with one of my yoga fusion hip workouts. Either way though, I wish you a wonderful day ahead and I hope to see you in the next one. Namaste, bye for now.